About 300 feet in the air, this area, so they'll never
What on
see
earth was that?
friction wire. I mean, you know, to see wildlife impacted that way is just tragic.
Oh, that was the blow up of the logo. Oh, look.
It's
So
been 100 days since the oil rig exploded in the Gulf of Mexico, killing 11 workers and setting off the worst oil spill in U.S. history. Life has changed forever for people along the Gulf Coast, and we're here to have you as we get back and up to the present.
Here we go.
We'll still in just a minute, but first, we have some severe weather out there this evening, and we have to look at it. As a matter of fact, we're going to take a look right now outside here. This is Kansas City. There aren't any severe thunderstorms right here, but this is one area that is hot, and it is humid out there. I don't think we're going to see too much relief here in the center of the country. But we are going to see, I guess, in other areas. Here's what. That's just like you just always look on the bright side. Yes, cooling thunderstorms. However, there may be some wind along with them. And we'll see 72 winds here in the southern areas of Michigan. And we could
I
see
guess
some
what do you need to go to Walmart for, Colin?
thunderstorms now rumble ever closer to the Cleveland area. We'll be looking for that and even on into Buffalo later on. This line of thunderstorms extends all the way back into portions of Indiana where we have warnings out now for northeastern Marshall County, southern Noble County, portions of Elk